I just wanna chill and twist the lot. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now.
Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. Don't look back by the lot. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do.
Good morning, y'all. Yeah, we finna get ready to go, like, period. We finna get ready to go in a minute, and I have not packed no clothes. Literally no clothes. Like, it's rubbing. But I'm getting ready. Oh, I forgot to do my intro. Hey, y'all, welcome back to my channel. We here, we back again, you know. Doing a travel vlog. I'm super excited for this vlog. I definitely picture this vlog being A1. Yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram and my Insta. If you want to send me anything, promo, or just send me anything in general, my email will be on the screen. Right now, I'm finna go to Ross to get my dog a dog bag so we can go drop him off before we go. He's not coming out of town with us, so we gotta drop him off.
I'm a rock star, nigga out of space. I'm a rock star, tell me what to do, tell me what to do, tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage.
Alright, y'all, I'm finished to start packing now.
I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. But they don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think
Say hey to the vlog.
What's up?
We're finna be on the road, y'all. Finally, tell you what time it is. It's 2 o'clock. We starting at 2 o'clock. I'm gonna keep checking in with y'all and stuff. So I'm so excited. I'm ready to get them out of here. But yeah, it's 2 o'clock and we're finna get on the road. Nobody ate. You ate? Nobody ate. So we'll probably go stop and get some food or whatever. Sorry about finna edit because I got like 3 videos to edit. I'm really behind. Like, it's real bad, y'all. Like, I got 3 videos to edit, but that's because I lost my adapter. I couldn't edit anything. So now I got videos just backed up. I'll check back in with y'all.
I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy.
Y'all, we made it to our first rest stop. Oh, I got my bonnet on, so I'm not gonna step out the car like all the way. They said we're gonna get there around 7. We have 2 hours and 22 minutes. Ooh, 222.
I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me At the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the.
I'm gonna call my parents, see where they at. They're across the street from Bethany where they work, so I'm gonna go back and meet up with them. Yeah, we'll get back in the car. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. I'm ready to see the room because they say we got a B&B. I don't know. Hopefully we got a pool so I can get in it. Yeah, I'm lit. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Like, period.
Take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a
I'm gonna cut my first bit on when I was eating. We here. I'm so excited. Oh, we got a balcony? What? Yeah, this a vibe. Yes. If y'all haven't figured it out already, we are in Destin. We in Destin. We in Destin with the bag. Y'all finna watch me unpack my clothes into this jar. We're staying 4 days. If I didn't tell y'all.
Brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain. You heard it here first. Nappy Boy Radio. We love you.
Yeah, I don't know what he got going on, but he is on one. Alright, you guys. So this is for tonight. I'm beyond tired. Like, beyond tired. Like, y'all don't understand how tired I am. Now that I get to lay down, like, it's hitting me real bad. So I'm gonna go to sleep or whatever. Like, it's 10 here, but in Atlanta, it's 11 o'clock. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.
Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories.
Y'all, I'm ready. Hold on, I feel really pretty. This light is very yellow. I got on this dress with these. Oh, this dress was fashionable. I don't know where we going, but I'm lit. I'm gonna go downstairs and take some pictures outside because, yeah, I want to take some by the palm trees, and those are real cute. That's a cute scenery. I'm gonna brush on my knees. I don't know if the glasses are doing too much or what, y'all. Like, are they? I don't know. I think they are. I'm gonna bring them though, but I think they do. Oh, they hit it! Oh!
Memories on love and treating it like gossip. It's my
Look at the palm trees!
care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love, you're breaking my heart in two.
Y'all, it's so pretty out here. I just took my pictures out here. I'm finna go through them. Hopefully there's some good pictures. Let me show y'all the pool. It's so beautiful out here. Just a beautiful vibe. So beautiful. Alright, we're finna go back inside. It's too hot. Open the door.
I just don't want to say.
I don't know where we're going, but we're gonna figure it out. Y'all gonna come along with me. I don't know where we're going. They don't know where we're going either.
Almost like it didn't happen to make you happy. You telling me you falling out of.
I'm busting down. Yeah, this is my favorite ever crumble cookie. It's called Cake Batter Blondie. I never had these two, but I can't eat this one. It got peanuts. This one, I had this one. I just like the cookie. I don't like the icing.
Love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did.
Alright, y'all, we back home. The 24. We finna get ready to go parasailing, y'all. So I gotta pick out me a bathing suit for that. I think I'm doing this orange bathing suit. Real excited. I'm scared, y'all. Parasailing is crazy. Parasailing is insane. But I'm ready. Hey, y'all, I'm finna get ready for that. Our reservation at 5:30, but they told us that we gotta be there an hour early, so we gotta be there by 4:30. It's 3:30.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
Bless up, 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 bless up.
Soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't book me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like sicky.
Y'all, I'm so sad. I'm in the restroom, but I'm so sad, y'all. The last footages we had, what that I had recorded and that my cousin recorded, were recorded in slow motion. Like, I'ma still speed them up, but the ones where I was talking, I don't know, I'ma figure it out. But yeah, they was recorded in slow motion, y'all. Like, I'm sorry. I look a mess. Like, my hair got so messed up. Like, it got so bad on that boat. Alright, y'all, let's go.
This girl got a dope, she finna shake it all night. Wow, wow, she got a dope, 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 she got a dope.
Hey y'all, it is day 3 in Destin, and me and my cousin, we finna get ready to go to Waffle House or whatever. My mom and my daddy already ate. They ate the food that they had downstairs. I didn't want that. I wanted Waffle House, so we finna go to Waffle House and see what the vibes come at. See what the vibes come out. It's already 9:30, so we need to go ahead and go. Oh, my girl Kim finna post a video. Make sure y'all go tune in. 24-hour challenge in the car. Period. I got me the all-star with hash browns instead of grits, and then I got my eggs scrambled with cheese, and then I got bacon instead of sausage. Period. That's my meal every time I come to Waffle House.
She got a dope, watch her hit the flow. I like the way she move and the way she snap and roll. We ain't going down, I got 5,000 ones. You want coffee with it?
My mama wants some Starbucks, so I'm finna go to Starbucks to get her some Starbucks, okay?
No exaggeration on the beat, no hyperbole.
Y'all, I'm a great parker. Like, please don't play with me, even on both sides. Like, what? Yeah, I was gonna do like the graphic tee look. Y'all know how y'all had like the graphic tee look with just the swim bottoms. This is my graphic tee, right? I was gonna do like the graphic tee with just these bottoms, but I'm kind of liking what I got going on right now. I plan on taking pictures once again. I'm finna go, y'all. I'm so excited, y'all. Destin don't owe me nothing. Go live. boat ride. I'm not sure if it died after or before the boat ride, but it died. And we went to the beach after the boat ride. Came back. We got Pizza Hut or whatever. Ate. Everybody showered. Got dressed. This is what I put on because my first outfit failed. I was so mad. I cried and shed a tear. Mama, me some morning. Mama, we finna go. I don't know where we going, y'all. It's like what time? It's like 9 o'clock. Somebody said I look like somebody auntie. I don't care. Tell her you got that junk on. Put it on. Buy more, me some more this. Buy more, me some more this. Buy more, me some more. Yeah, here you go. Hey.
Tag everybody gun came with a bag. Oh my mama, we coming to Spanish. We shoot up the birthday bash. They go that blogger.
Hey.
Let me see.
And I'm gonna get this shirt. Hey guys, it's day 4. This is our last day waking up in Destin, y'all. What a trip. Destin don't owe me nothing. It was fun. I enjoyed myself or whatever. But let's just look at the view one more last time. Hopefully y'all can see because I can see. We gotta be out of here by 10 o'clock. It's probably like 9:59. You know us. We got on this 2-piece set from Ross. Y'all know I love me a good 2-piece set. Kurt bag. And then these Steve Madden sandals. Just wanna check in, let y'all know we're finna go. I done packed everything up. I wanna go shopping. I don't know about anybody else, but I wanna go shopping. It don't matter, y'all. Let me tell y'all. It don't matter where you go. It don't matter what state you go to. It don't matter what city you go to. Make the best of it, y'all. Because I had a lot of people saying, oh my God, are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? No, I'm not in Jamaica. I'm in Destin, Florida, y'all. Like, but it don't matter where you go. You make the best out of it. Like, seriously. Put you down. You can have fun anywhere you go. I don't care if you go to Tennessee, or you better go ride you some horses, or you better go do you some ATV, or you better go ride helicopters or something. Like, just make the best out of it, y'all. Because it don't matter where you go. You don't gotta go to Bora Bora or Jamaica or Dubai to have fun. That's just that. Because anywhere I'm gonna go, I'm gonna make the best out of it. Come outside to get my rocks off.
Tell 'em, me and my compadres, that's on deck, girls on deck.